Good afternoon, I'm Ben Seymour of Kudzu Patch Productions, and I have an instrument that I just did some repairs on, rather extensive as a matter of fact. All I know about it much is that it was called the Gertrude Dulcimer, and it was one of those that had the pins attached right here at the end of the fretboard, and so the fretboard was beginning to pull up. So I changed that and put the pins on the end. But the main thing was this headstock right here. The headstock that was originally on here it looks exactly the same as this. I made a reproduction of it. It was a short little thing. It was kind of hard to get pegs in there. But at the same time, the one that was originally on here, the side walls were so thin. I mean, we were talking about 3/32, and they wouldn't even hold violin pegs. There was just not enough meat there to hold tension pegs, and especially not any kind of pegs that had a screw, because a screw would go right through. So I rebuilt this with thicker walls on here so I could put regular tuners on it. But it's a sweet sounding little thing. It's one of those that has the rosewood back and sides, and the rosewood is actually a type of really high quality veneer. And it looks like a spruce top. So anyhow, it has a great little sound, so I thought I'd bring you a tune today. I'm going to do a tune that it's probably not appropriate right now since it is about 89 degrees outside, but this is one I wrote during a snowstorm, which we haven't had one of those for a while either. But anyhow, and I called it Grackles in the Snow. Grackles in the Snow on the restored Gertrude Dulcimer, and I will be posting some pictures to the site of the headstock as it was originally, and then the restored headstock. So it was quite an adventure getting the old one off and putting a new one on there. So it was fun actually. Anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed that little video, and if you'd like to come see us, feel free to do so at www.kudzupatch.net, and I'd be glad to do any repairs for you and or make you a custom instrument for your very own. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.